Hi friends, this is Anne and today I'm going to explain my compiler lab exercise 1, that is the program for token separation. So as of now I have used the above language here. So this is my NetBeans platform wherein I do my coding. So my package is compiler 1 and I have imported all the necessary packages, that is buffer reader, file not exception, file reader, IO exception, string tokenizer, matcher and the pattern for each of the following functions. Now, inside the coding, first of all, I should create a file with my question here, that is int a comma b comma c, and then c equals to a plus b into 20. And I'll store it in an e folder, and then I'll go on with my program. So I'll first of all print that system.out.println, token separation, and then string code. I'll declare a variable code, and then I'll start with the try catch. In the try, I'll read the file, and then I'll use file reader fr equals to new file reader. These are all built-in functions. And then file reader, I'll note down the path for my file, that is e folder XAMPP. In the XAMPP folder I have a file named f1.txt. Then I'll use buffered reader br equals to new buffered reader fr. Now if br is ready, means if br is ready, then code equals to code plus br dot readline, and then cat equals to file not exist. And if there's an error while locating the file, it will print it as file does not exist. Now, as of to find the string tokenizer, I will separate each of the code with the spaces. For this, I have given two brackets here, and then string str int count equals to 0 to find the count of each. Now I have different patterns here, that is keywords, identifiers, operations, num and punctuation. Now for the keywords I have given pattern.compile equals to public static void class package. All these are my keywords. And then for identifying path I have used pattern.compile, and then the identifiers format, that is A to Z, small a to z, and then capital A to z, 0 to 9. Similarly, for the operation path, I have given plus, minus, multiplication and all the operators that have been used. Then for the numbers, I have given 0 to 9 and plus infinite times. Then the punctuation marks, I have given all the necessary punctuation marks that I will be using. Then a matcher will be used so that I can match the patterns. So that is for K match, ID match, op match, num match, and punctuation mark for each of the following operations. Now, while st dot has more elements, this loop will go on, that is string equals to st dot next token. It will go on for the next token. Now kmatch equals to key path dot matcher. I will match it with the string that I have and then store it in the value kmatch if it's a keyword. If it's an identifier, I'll match it with a string and store it in ID match. Similarly for operation, numbers and punctuations. Now if kmatch dot matches, if it's true, means it will print that it's a keyword, and then the string, whatever the keyword it is, it will display it, and then the counter will do plus plus, it will increment. Similarly, if id.match is matches, means it will go for system.out.println. It will state that it is an identifier and then print the identifier that is there. Similarly, for the operation match, num match, and for the punctuation also, it will declare that it is an operator or a constant or a punctuation respectively. And then at the I'll increment the counter for each so that it can go on for the next tokens. Then at the end it will say system.out.println the number of tokens. It will count it using the count value. Now, while running the program, it will call the file from the E folder, and it will match the tokens and it will find. So this is my output here, token separation for better understanding, and this is my question. So the first is int is a keyword, so it has specified keyword int. The next is an identifier A. Then this is a comma is a punctuation. Then B is an identifier. Then there's a punctuation. Then C is an identifier. Now equals to is an operator. Then A is an identifier. Then plus is an operator. Then B is an identifier. Star is an operator, and 20 is a constant. And then at the end it will count the number of tokens that have been totally used, and that is 12. So this is the end of my first experiment of separating the tokens. That's it.